My integrated washing machine is broken, which is not funny to change. I've ordered a new one and they requested £115 to get it removed and installed. So I'm going to be taking it off myself. First of all, we start from the door. I'm going to take off the door. That is it off. And next, safety first. So I'm going to be turning off the water supply to the machine as well as the electrical supply. Here I'm going to switch off the power and take off the plug from the socket. Here I got my saw. So just because the board under the kitchen is a long board, it runs from one end of the kitchen to another, so the easiest way is for me to cut under the washing machine, which I'm doing here, and that's it done. In that way I will be able to take it out, because without removing the board I will not be able to take it out. That's it be removed now. Now I'm going to add another board under the washing machine to slide it out easily. Try to pull it out here, but it's not moving, and then realize they nailed it down. So there are two nails there. They've nailed. I've removed one, and the other one is raw. It's rusting and it's not easy to remove. So I've tried to cut around the board by removing the plastic end of it, but still not coming off. So finally I have managed to remove the nail, the two nails. So now we're going to try and pull out the washing machine. That is it. That is it coming off. Yeah, don't have to DIY. Don't have to spend too much of money. It's not coming off, so there is still hose of water supply and the hose for the water drainage attached. So I'm going to disconnect that. Here I'm disconnecting the water supply and the water supply hose and the drainage hose here. So after taking those one off, after they be disconnected, now it cannot totally come off. That's it. It's done. It's done. That's me save half of my money. I would say this one is the most difficult part of it. Thank you for watching.